Want to make your BlueSky profile stand out with a stunning banner? I'll show you how to easily add one to your profile and make it look amazing. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add profile banner in BlueSky Social app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky Social app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the profile option. Once you're on the profile page, look for the edit button. Tap on it to begin editing your profile. Now that you're in edit mode, you'll see a camera icon. Tap on the camera icon that's located in the right hand side of your screen to choose a new image for your profile. BlueSky will prompt you to choose an image from your gallery or file manager. Select the photo or banner image you want to use from your device. You can choose any image that reflects your style or personality. After selecting your image, you'll have the option to crop or reposition it to fit perfectly within the banner area. Adjust it to your liking and tap Save once you're happy with the result. Your profile will now showcase the banner you've chosen. Head back to your profile page and you should now see your new banner displayed at the top. Congratulations, your BlueSky profile just got a makeover. And that's how easy it is to add a profile banner in BlueSky Social. Now your profile is uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.